about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
祖马哥，
祖马哥呀，
让我们加入客家风情，学习实用客语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 我大家好，我係美甲。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。美甲啊，其实有一个东西我们从来没教过，这个正常我们在开车啊一定会用到。
方位，
方向啊，
对，
东南西北嘛，
对，常常搞晕。
哎，或喜欢打麻将也有东南西北啊，你也需要知道一下。Okay, so let's teach you the 4 basic directions, okay, which are north, south, east, west, but usually the order we say it in Mandarin and Hakka too is 东南西北, which is east, south, west, and north. And those are the 4 basic directions. 怎么说？
東南西北。
東南西北。
就是人工嘅。
就是人工嘅。
西太方位。
西太方位。
4大方位。
方位. Okay, those are the 4 basic directions. Very good. So let's put it into an example. For instance, 鹅銮鼻 is the southernmost tip of Taiwan, and it's part of the Henjun Peninsula.
台灣清南片所在。
台灣清南片所在。
係恆春半島嘅。
係恆春半島嘅。
鵝銮鼻。
鵝銮鼻就是鵝銮鼻啦，真的是这个台湾最南端的一个地点了The southernmost tip of Taiwan on the peninsula is called 鵝銮鼻. There you go. So now you've learned these directions. Let's review them again. 我们再一次教东南西北 Okay, starting with east
東
and south
南
and the west
西
and north
北
And there you have it. Hopefully you won't get lost in Hakka anymore. Thank you so much for listening.
什麼大家？
俺只 say
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.